Well, hello, you guys. How are ya?
Hello.
Here we are again. Another month, another order. Oh my gosh, it's like we could have started our own pharmacy over here or something.
We had a big giant box.
Yes.
It was huge.
It's a big box.
But, and so I guess I'm going to start.
Yes.
And I went ahead and this time I got the LLV, because when you get the LLV, you get these and the omegas, okay? And along with that, you're able to get a certain quantity of your add-ons. Mm-hmm. And so only with the LLV, it looks like you can get the combo, the biome, which includes the PB Restore and the PB Assist Plus or Junior, and that's how you would order that. Also, I got one left of the MetaPower Collagen. Mm-hmm. I use that every day. Yeah. It is so good. And the ones we like the best is the pomegranate cherry. Yeah. So I went ahead and used that as one of my add-ons. And then also, I got this, of course, that was an add-on. And then I was running low on my Mito 2 Max. The Mito 2 Max is something that I take in the afternoon, late afternoon or whatever, so I can get that additional awareness and energy for the rest of the day naturally.
No caffeine.
No caffeine, no wah-wah or whatever. And so that's important. And so that's my initial order. And of course, we got some other things.
You got some other goodies though.
Well, yeah, I went ahead and
those.
ordered. Yeah, I ran out of my On Guard chewables. That has a lot of good stuff in it, zinc, and it just has a lot of good stuff in there.
Is it the C and D? Is that
the
what's
C
in there?
and D. It has clove, cinnamon, bark, eucalyptus, rosemary, wild orange. It's got the vitamin C, vitamin D, the zinc, and the magnesium. Oh, wow. Pow. And it's a chewable, so like in the mornings after, I'm ready to go, I'll just chew this up and get ready to go. So we ended up getting 2 of them.
Yep, I needed one too.
She needed one too.
This time of year, it's a good thing to have on hand for sure.
And I'm running out of my toothpaste, and I had the On Guard toothpaste last time, and now I got the Super Mint. Mm-hmm. And I do like the Super Mint. I really, really do. Yep. It's a good flavor, and it's just good toothpaste.
And it's fun to change it up once in a while.
We ended up getting, with bonus points, we got the 2 Breathe.
Yep. Oh my gosh, Breathe drops. You put one of those in your mouth, and it just opens up everything. I mean, it's like a vapor. It's like you can just breathe and just feel that opening. And
yeah, this time of the year is just so awesome. One of the other things that matter of fact, I was completely out, is my adaptive gel caps for nighttime. And for me, I just take it at night before I go to bed. But I don't take these all the time, but I was completely out of these. And the adaptive is for your mind wellness, and it helps you to sort things through and calms you down and all that good stuff. And it's really good. It's natural. And then, of course, I was almost out. I've got 2 more sticks of these. This is the MetaPower Recharge. This is the hydration. This is the electrolytes. This stuff is good because it tastes good. And the other thing that I haven't had in a long time, and a lot of this called the bone nutrient. The bone nutrient is good not only for women, but it's also good for men. And so I'm going to start taking this at least once a week, maybe twice, to help me with my bones. Because when you get older, you need to have some bone support. Yeah. So, Linda?
No.
Oh, sorry.
He's not
okay,
done.
the frankincense boswellic acid complex. I use these almost every day. They are really good. It's a dual cap. It has the oil and it has the resin
Yeah.
in it. And I'll tell you what, that's really good. But I got this on bonus points, so it didn't cost me anything.
That's right.
I ended up getting a couple of Copaiba because this time of the year, with whatever you're going through, aches and pains, not feeling good, whatever, I use these every day. And so I ended up the one I have is like really super low, and I wanted to have a backup. Also, we ended up getting a couple of the On Guard Plus. It's a pow pow for this year. It's got Melissa, it's got oregano, black pepper, and it has the regular ingredients for On Guard.
Yeah.
But this is internally. You could take this internally, and it's just so good.
Yep.
And it's good to have on hand. So we got those also.
Yeah.
And what about these? No, these are Linda's. So anyway, that was my little spiel.
Yeah, like I said, we got a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, so he talked about, so we both got the On Guard Plus, the Breathe Drops, the On Guard Chewables. You can't really chew these unless you suck on them for a minute first, because they're pretty hard. Anyway,
They taste good.
Yeah, just as an FYI though. Okay, so I got the MetaPower Metabolic Blend Soft Gels. And this is the MetaPower Essential Oil Blend in a soft gel, in a capsule. And I really like these, and I'm pretty consistent about taking these. Lately, I've been doing 2 a day to stop the cravings or to knock it off. My thing is peanut butter filled pretzels from Costco. Yeah, chips, but I don't even eat those too much anymore, but this helps me. It really does help me to. My problem is I don't eat lunch most of the time, and then I'm starving, and then I grab dumb stuff that I shouldn't even have in my pantry.
And for me, I'm always eating, so, you know.
Amen. So this really has helped me a lot with those cravings. So
yeah, it's really good to have, too, because it helps your metabolism.
Yes. And then I got, it's the anti-aging moisturizer. This is the one that's normally used for daytime. I love this stuff. Been using it since this came out many years ago.
Yeah, she looks really good.
Well, thank you. Aw. And then there's also the hydrating cream, which is your heavier moisturizer. Most people use this in the evening at night before you go to bed. Sometimes I will use this during the day when my skin seems especially dry.
Did you use a lot of that stuff from other places and couldn't quite find the best stuff?
Oh gosh, I've been using stuff for years, but when this came out, I bought it and I've loved it. And this has worked better than the other things.
Oh, that's
and
awesome.
then there's also this invigorating scrub. This is a super gentle scrub. So I love these things. Yeah, they're great. Then I got the VMG, which is your vitamins, minerals, and greens. And I've been out.
And it has a little fiber in it too.
I have been out for like 2 or 3 weeks.
I have still some left, so I didn't have to reorder those yet.
And they've changed them, put them in this little skinnier package. These are great for traveling or just on the go. Put it in some water, put it in your morning shake.
Yeah, whenever I go to do some work or whatever, I'll put it in my little hint bottle.
Yeah.
And mix all my proteins and nutritional drinks and whatever into that. Then I'll sip on it during the day.
No, I can't do that. I want to drink it. I don't want to.
She goes.
Yeah, that's just nasty, I think, to let it sit there. No thanks. I just want to get it done. Okay, my turn. Anyway, so I got this, and you get this, and if you get these 2 together, then you do have the option of adding 3 things. So at a discount, which is nice. So I got 2 TerraZyme. I was going to get some the MetaPower Collagen, but I really didn't need any. And I thought, I'll get an extra bottle of the TerraZyme just in case I need it. And then I did the PB Restore. Most of the time lately, I've been giving these to my daughter because like I've mentioned in other videos, she had her leg sliced open. Excuse me. Yeah, her leg got sliced open in some weird mishap thing. Yeah, long story. And she's taken so many antibiotics, it's really messed up her gut health. So because it's messed up her gut health, she was talking to her doctor. He said, you need a probiotic. And she said, my mom has doTERRA. And he says, use that. It's a good one. And then I got clary sage. This is really good for hormones and just calming. A really, really good oil. I've opened my last one, so I thought, well, I'll just get one and have it on hand. The bonus oil for the month, when you place 125 PV order by the 15th of the month, they just put it in your cart and you get it. And this is the 5 ml digestion.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, gas, bloating, indigestion.
Every night, rub it on my tummy.
You know, just anything like that. This stuff works really, really good.
It is really, really good.
And then, as you can probably guess, we had more than 400 PV. So they've extended this promo. So we both got a frankincense, a 15 ml frankincense for free, because when you place a 200 PV order, they automatically, by the 15th of January, because they've extended it from December all the way through December and then through the 15th, then this will get added. And then, like I said, we had 400 PV, well, we had more. So they added 2 of them. And you can do that up to 400, well, let's see. I think you can do it up to 4 times. So you can get up to 4 free ones.
Yeah.
Like I said, it's only through the 15th.
And this month was different than last month because we are the product of the product.
We use stuff.
We use a lot of this good stuff.
Yep.
And it's not just the oils. We use the supplements.
As you can see.
We use the nutritional stuff. We use the face creams and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Toothpaste. We use the recharge.
Yeah.
We use a lot of the stuff. So
we don't buy anything we don't use.
Yeah, we use it all. And there's always, every month, there's something that we need because we are
for
using
sure.
it.
For sure. And then they also sent the New Living magazine. This is like a little one. It's not like the big magazine anymore. It's smaller. Some people don't like it because the print is little, but I don't think it's too bad. And I don't know if they're just throwing these into everybody's box this month. I really don't know why they sent it. And then they also sent a little card that talks about the Revitazen, which is your cleanse, not your cleanse. It's your detoxification. It detoxes kidneys, colon. I don't even remember what else.
Yeah.
Just all
it's
that.
talking about
It's
part
really
of the
great.
90-day reset.
Yeah, it's a detox pathway. So, and it's got the little QR code, so you can just look up more information.
You can learn about it.
Yep, and then there's also on the back side is a little information card about the digestion, which is, I love these, because if people are getting these things, especially, for the first time, then it's nice to have all that information. There again, it's got a QR code and a little bit of information. Really, really handy. And then there's also another little card in here. If you have had an account before and you haven't used it for a long time, like I think it's a year, then they're going to give you a free rosemary if you renew your account. And it just gives you that information with this. So it's
Rosemary's really good, especially this time of the year.
Yes, it's good
There's
for respiratory.
A lot of stuff going on.
Yep. So
And I've been rubbing that on my feet too.
yeah, it's good to have. Okay, well, I think we got it all. So
Yeah,
it's a
it's
lot of
been good.
stuff. And I've said this before, but I'm gonna buy skincare somewhere, and this, I love it more. It's worked better for me than any of the other ones I used pre-doTERRA. I used to have, well, I still have kind of dry skin, but my face has never bothered me anymore because I used to get these little dry patches, and I'd put my moisturizer on, then by the end of the day I had these little scaly patches you know, not everywhere, but a couple of them. It was obnoxious. I have not had that problem since I've been using the doTERRA skincare. Not at all.
doTERRA has great products.
They really do. And like, who doesn't need to use like the breathe drops when you're stuffed up and whatever? These are so handy. And the nice thing is the products don't have the toxins and things that other products might have. I know the company, I know the products, I trust them, and you know, it's not like I'm buying a bunch of stuff that I'm not going to use. And then they do come out with new products once a year, and so you want to continue to learn. We'd like the education. So guys, have a good evening, and doTERRA it up.
Yeah,
have a great one.
Up.
See you guys.
Bye.
Bye. If you guys are watching on YouTube, I would love it if you would like and subscribe and even share. Maybe you've got a friend that might enjoy this information. Take care. Bye.
Bye.